The next few days are very critical for Zimbabwe and the biggest test for our democracy looms. The long-awaited impeachment of the president on medical grounds is fast approaching, and soon we will put to test if our legislative branch, which includes 220 elected MPs, 60 appointed from special interest groups, and 80 senators, has been fully bought by the president or not. Sanabina Mashkobranyi watching the critical countdown to the president's impeachment. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Team Nazim Mubranyi Commissions. If this process fails, we are counting on the Comrade Geza revolution to counter that with some serious action that will meet the objectives of the mission. ED and Gananda just must go. We have no choice as citizens to be ignorant. Either way, you are involved. It's either you support the status quo openly or by omission if you choose not to be involved, or you support Comrade Geza openly if you are pained by the suffering of Zimbabweans at home and abroad because of the corruption by this our government. I openly chose to support Comrade Geza right through from the beginning because I am a true patriot who only wants what's best for my country. My loyalty will always be aligned with Zimbabwe, and my support is conditional as long as someone is defending the constitution of Zimbabwe and fighting against corruption and bad governance. Fellow citizens, let's get involved in this process so that we can have a voice into the future. The best foot forward is to advocate for a transitional government by the people, for the people. It will not come on the silver platter. If we are not involved, we will deal with another imposed new government that will disappoint us, like the current government of sheer incompetence. My fellow comrades, in the ZANU-PF, the time has come to put the country first. This is no longer about rulership of Zimbabwe. The essence of existence for country depends on the impeachment process. Failure to force Mnangagwa to resign voluntarily or through the impeachment has the direct consequences. We cannot afford another 3 years or 5 years to 2030 of his leadership. We have no country left to talk about. Mashoko another voice yatikona is voicing up pamusoro aiwa paimpeachment yemutungamiri wenyika achiya panapa ataura achiti aiwa right now ndo patichaona kuti malegislators akatengewa here kana kuti ahana. Tudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Muna comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.